What I've got sitting in front of me is an iMac G5. Maybe you own one, or maybe you have another model of iMac. What I can tell you is that the 17 and 20-inch versions of this iMac are notorious for failing power supplies. Hi, I'm MJ with iFixit, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the power supply on an iMac G5. You can perform this repair on any iMac, but they might require different parts, so you want to make sure you find out your machine's EMC number, which is located on the underside of the base of the iMac. If you can't find it there, go ahead and head to the ID Your Mac page on our site. Also, the process for each iMac is going to be a little bit different, so make sure you're following the step-by-step instructions in the repair guide for your iMac on our site. Today I'm working on an iMac G5, so for that I'm going to need a Phillips #1 screwdriver, which I got from our 54-piece bit driver kit, a heavy-duty spudger, and of course, a replacement power supply. Before we get started, I'm going to lay the iMac face down onto something soft. I'm just going to use a piece of foam, but you could use a towel or a t-shirt or something just to protect the display from scratching. Once you've got the iMac in position, you can get started by loosening the 3 screws along the bottom. They're not going to come out all the way, they're just going to loosen. So once they're loosened, as much as they will go, you can lift the rear panel right off and just set it aside. Once the rear panel is off, the power supply is immediately visible, and honestly the hardest part is disconnecting this cable from its socket. You're going to start by pushing on this little latch to kind of release it, and then use your heavy-duty spudger to get in between the gaps and disconnect it. A good tip is if you push one side back far enough and you see an open gap, stick the pointy end of your spudger in there to kind of hold that gap, and then use your fingers on the other side to loosen it. That kind of helps. So once you've got this cable disconnected, there are a few more screws for us to loosen. 2 of them are the kind that won't come all the way out, so they're just going to loosen as far as they can. So with these screws loosened as far as they can, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the power supply. It might take a little bit of effort, and it helps if you pull it towards you as you're lifting up. But be careful because there are some capacitors nearby, and you don't want to go ripping those off the board as you pull the power supply out, so be gentle. All right, with the old power supply removed, all I've got to do is put the new one in, reconnect the connector, which is much easier than disconnecting the connector, and reassemble my iMac. It's a really quick and easy repair. Of course, you can find all of the parts and tools for this and many other repairs at iFixit.com. And if you have any problems during your repairs, there are lots of solutions in the iMac repair guide on our site. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.